Okay. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Rajendra Singh Rathod.
And what is the date today?
9th of January
2010.
2010.
And where do you work?
I'm working in Calcutta Club.
Okay. When did you arrive in the UK?
6th of December.
And when did you start working for Calcutta Club?
7th of
7th of December. Okay. Did you pay any commission to anybody to come to work in the UK?
Yeah, I paid in Abu Dhabi 5,000 pound there by the consultant. He's taking. Now when I reached here, that time is also taking 5,000.
And you paid to the commission to the agent to pay to the owner, or is it to the agency?
They have the contact, so I paid there, and they given to him.
Okay. And how much did you pay?
5,000 pound there,
And how much did you pay in the UK?
5,000 pound.
Okay. Did you get any travel expenses to come to the UK?
No,
No. And how many hours do you work?
weekly more than 70.
More than 70 hours.
Yeah.
And what is your weekly salary?
Weekly salary 180 pounds. I have decided there, the consultant tell me more than 210, but he is giving here 180, but not in a proper way. He is not given. I have my 3 week salary is pending still.
Still.
Yeah.
So how long? So basically, you've been paid 180 pounds. Is that paid in cash or is it paid into your account?
He is paid in cash.
It's paid in cash.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you get a contract of employment when you started?
No,
Have you got an appointment letter?
no,
Have you got any documents from the Home Office?
no.
Have you got your passport on you?
Yeah, I have my passport with me.
And does it say the stamping is on there?
Yeah.
Yes. Did your employer give you back your letter from the Home Office to say that you are legally allowed to work here before you could?
He didn't give anything.
You got no document from the Home Office.
Nothing, no documents.
Okay. Where are your documents at the moment? Where is your passport?
Passport is with me.
Any other documents you don't have?
I don't have. I have only a passport.
Has your employer helped you to get a national insurance number?
No.
No. Have you got a national insurance number
Now still it is in a process by myself.
by yourself?
Yeah.
Did your employer give you any letter to accommodate that?
No.
Nothing. And where did you go for your national insurance number?
I went there in a job plus.
Job
It's
center plus.
situated in Cambridge.
Okay. Okay. My next question. Do you get accommodation?
Yeah, I have accommodation, but not livable
It's not livable, you said. But why is it not livable?
because there is no some heater is not working there. The hot water is not. They are giving not on 24 hours when I am a go to toilet and bathroom for a shaving, bathing. That time the cold water is running there in this season. The cold water is running there. How can we?
So you have no warm water,
No,
no hot water coming through the taps, and
No.
you have no central heating.
no.
What about your room? Do you have any amenities in the room?
We are buying some whole heaters like this.
You're buying your own heater.
Yeah.
Okay. Next question. I've noticed, I've been to your room. I know that you've got no carpeting as well. You've got temporary flooring on there. Is that the case when you came here as well?
Pardon?
Your floor is
Yeah.
still temporary. There is
Yeah.
no carpet, nothing. You only got floorboards. Is that how it was when you joined?
It's the same.
Same.
Yeah.
Have you told the employer to improve the conditions?
Yeah.
Has he done anything about it so far?
It's still not.
He's still not done anything. Okay. My next question is very simple. Were you witness to what happened to Sham Karan Sharma?
Yeah, I am the witness.
Okay, can you please say for the record what actually happened there?
It's happening when the Shamkan Sharma and what is going on between the Shamkan Sharma and the Ibrahim. He's asking about the passport and he's telling like that, okay, when I'll get my passport that time leave. Then he said, he's shouting on him like that.
So why did he ask Sham Karan Sharma to leave? Was his work not out?
He said, okay, no need for you here. You can go now.
And why?
No reason.
He didn't give any reason.
No.
He's not said anything about his work, nothing.
No.
But from what I've heard from Sham Karan Sharma, your employer had sent his details to the Home Office for his passport for stamping.
It's good. The passport and whatever the details have came back. Maybe he's not paid money. The reason is like that.
Okay.
He didn't pay the money and the account details whatever they given is
So
not
when
paid.
you in the room, did anything happen? What was there an argument? What happened in the room?
Yeah, sometime argument I heard the noise.
Yeah. Okay. And did you witness anything else?
Yeah, he is shouting that time.
and saying, did you?
Yeah,
Can you say?
Ibrahim is shouting on him.
And did he say anything that you can recollect?
Recollect what means?
I mean, can you remember what he said? Anything?
He's shouting on me, "Ke go away, go leave your. Today you should leave this restaurant. Today you will leave this." He said, "Give me your money, whatever my balance, if you have."
Who said give the balance? Sham Karan
Shamkan said,
asked for his balance back.
yeah, but he's given to check, but check is also maybe the check is bounced.
The check is bounced as well.
Yeah, now it's a bounced. Shamkan know very well.
Okay, that's fine. Has any of something like this happened to you? Has he threatened you at any times as well?
Huh?
Has he threatened you at any time, or has he said anything to you? The owner, Mr. Ibrahim, has he ever said anything to you as well? Directly or indirectly about threatening you or anything like you heard with Sham?
No, he didn't tell to me anything.
No, I'm saying that Mr. Ibrahim,
Yeah.
has he ever said anything to you
About him.
about you?
About me.
your work, anything?
Like he's telling like that whatever he decide the contractor and with him he's telling I am yesterday I went with her, with his office, then I asked about my salary, then he said, okay, I have the deal with your contractor, I'll keep your 1 month salary.
And who is the contractor?
Match workers.
Match workers.
Yep.
Are you not working for the Calcutta Club and Lush Restaurants?
Oh, match workers.
No, you work for Calcutta Club or you work for Match
I'm working
Workers?
in the Calcutta Club.
Calcutta Club. Who holds the visa for you?
St. Alban, maybe St. Alban.
No, the name of. Are you working in Calcutta Club? Is your visa valid for Calcutta Club?
Yeah.
Yes. So the owner, Mr. Ibrahim, has got your visa for Calcutta Club.
No, it's not mentioned my visa. He given me sponsor maintenance letter. It's a letter pad like a / Asia Restaurant St. Albans like that.
Okay.
But I'm working here.
And you're working here.
Yeah.
So your visa is for Lush Restaurants. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Lush Restaurants is part of Calcutta Club. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. That's fine. Have you reported any of this to anybody?
Still
That he's withholding your money, your salaries?
Still not.
He's not. You haven't told anybody that he's withholding your money.
No.
He's not paying you your money.
I informed two match workers.
Why?
But they are telling I'm trying to call him, but he's not picking my phone like that. But I know that they both are the same. Ibrahim same, the match workers same. They have the something.
Have a collaboration. you
Yeah,
want to say.
collaboration. They
Okay.
have the collaboration.
So you've paid in total £10,000. Yes?
Yeah.
And he's also kept your salary for 1 month.
Yeah, because
Which
he's
he's
saying
not
like
paying.
if you want to your 1 month salary, then keep your.
Why is he keeping your 1 month salary?
Because he's telling I am spent the 995 pounds on your visa.
On your visa, so why did you pay them £10,000 then?
I
For the
don't
same
know. He's
reason.
telling like that. I don't.
Okay, that's fine. Can you also, just for the record, explain to me, does he pay you in cash or does he pay you in your account?
Cash.
In cash. How many weeks salary have you got so far?
I have done. I have done here 6 weeks is running on.
You work 6 weeks, you mean?
Nah, 5 is finished today maybe.
Okay.
Then I get only a 2 weeks salary.
And you've only got 2 weeks salary and he's paid you in cash.
Huh.
And for the record, he's paid you £180
Yeah,
per week
180 pounds.
net.
Net.
That's fine. Thank you very much.